Next one, however, it's 10 dirham per piece. Hello everyone, Kurum Zeri, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum. Love Lake Dubai gets its name from its unique shape consisting of two large interconnected hearts. This scenic spot is situated in the serene Al Qudra area, so head here if you want to surround yourself with nature. Once known as a hidden gem, this desert haven, home to more than 100 species of animals, flowers and plants, has now gained popularity as one of the most picturesque locales in the city and is frequented by residents and tourists alike. Sunsets are absolutely mesmerizing from this oasis where everything is dedicated to love, with sculptures of hearts and even trees manicured in a way to spell out the word love when seen from above. Visitors can picnic or set up barbecues in designated areas and take in the greenery while keeping an eye out for the wildlife, including many different kinds of birds.
Making me pull down. I know, potato.
Some same also. Next one,
Hold it to me, no? She's sleeping. She now regrets having this phone case there. So many already. Have it.
But
It's
this
never
is even
enough. Yeah, please. That's what I said.
Did you see my son? Yeah, he was there only.
Not spicy, right? It's fine.
They both were walking.
Uncle is there?
Can go towards
Yeah, I think so.
then they have gone walking to.
Yeah. Yes.
Inside or on the wall? Yeah. However, it's, because there is no water, so it's as
This is dry, no? They eat with the sea.
it's your easy because there is no water.
Indian Prime Minister gave this thing to the Japanese Prime Minister to eat. And Japan is so popular now.
It's dry.
10 dirham per piece.
That's bad.
No, don't. Professor. Spicy already?
She will have.
Okay, you can take it out. Even parent take it out if you don't want to eat that. More also.
But I will take that.
Spicy. We dare to gulp it exactly.
This food, you should have the food.
Meetha.
But this spicy oil, no?
You know what I like? I like this and this, but this? No, okay, without this. Let's make it without this. Yeah.
Pani Puri.
Oh my god. Chai.
What is that?
Camera. Vlogging, yeah? You do? Yeah. Okay. I have no idea where I'm
Hello everyone.
Where we get
I want to try.
Now?
Oh, even exactly.
Go to the yaorasu. Guys, start. Kshitij, shuru. Chalo, chai export. Chalo. Divesh ka hai? Chalo. Chai. Chai. What are you saying? This is a magic word? Like hot tea, sale. Chai. Thank you to
So good song.
Now at least now.
Anybody above 15 years, 15 years.
Baby, baby.
सुर में गाना सीखिए पाधानीसा ऐप के साथ AI पावर्ड पर्सनल म्यूजिक टीचर सारेगा
Say cheese के
तो है कि पिक्चर है कि क्या है बता दो दे
Both. All.
एक्सेल
Oh, okay. We have the youngest. Okay.
come
Wait. What is this?
भगवान ने 2 हाथ दिए हम लोग दोनों को इस्तेमाल करो Ready?
ओपन Gangnam Style Gangnam Style
That's the one. Yeah. You guys also know some. Baby. Okay. Yes. Which one?
Okay, boys, it's your turn again now. Now, boys.
Done, boys.
Sometimes he's also.
Thank you.
As well. Yeah, exactly. So thank you so much for being, the sport to enjoy and be part of all what we did today.